Good morning friends, welcome to yoga session. Let us see to strengthen the lower back after childbirth. And it is a problem after the childbirth, even it is normal or C-section, the lower back gets weakened and the pain will be there. It will exist maximum to 3 or 6 months only. But when you start doing some yoga, after 6 weeks means that will help you to get relief earlier. So please consult your doctor also before starting any practice. So today we are going to see something with the support of the wall. So you can practice this if it was normal delivery. After 6 weeks you can directly go and practice this. Just stay 1 foot away from the wall and bring your body towards the wall and take a breathe in, push your belly button towards the spine and breathe out. Then now we are going to do the sliding down. Breathe in, push the belly button down, breathe out, come back. You can sit like this. Now breathe in, do that belly button pushing, breathe out. Stay here for 3 or 5 breaths. Then breathe in, come up and breathe out. So now we are going to do the legs raised on the wall. Just sit down close to the wall and turn like this. If you want, you can take a pillow also for supporting. Turn close to the wall and raise your legs. Legs up the wall. If you need a support on your back, you can put a small pillow like this. Just keep it like this. But the thing is that you have to put your butt close to the wall. I am not using this. I can feel my lower back is pressing on the ground. So now you can just slide the legs far away like this. And while breathing in, breathe in, push the belly button down towards your spine and feel the pressing down. Breathe out, bring it back. This is so easy to practice. Breathe in, like this. Breathe out, come back. Then to relax, you can come to the bound angle pose and feel the stretch of your thighs and the pressing of the belly towards the spine. And even in this posture also, take the breath in, push the belly button down and breathe out. Then just to relax in this pose if you can. Simple relaxation. You have done a great workout. It's only 6 weeks past with your baby. And do this workout. Even on your bed you can do this with the support of the wall. And that is it. You have relaxed. And that is it, my dear friends. Go for it regularly and get the results. Thank you. Bye-bye.